This is a short demonstration video of the UltimateAddons fork stem attachment. This is the attachment here. Comes in 3 different sizes to suit a wide range of motorcycles. As you can see, this is it without the packaging. As you can see, it's 2 parts which are controlled at the top by an Allen key. The motorcycle I'm using for this demonstration is a Suzuki GSXR 1000. This takes the largest of the attachments. To mount the attachment, simply place it down into the fork stem. Take an Allen key and adjust it until it is tight. It's a little rubber cap. It just goes on the top, and that's it. That's the attachment connected to your motorcycle. At the top of the attachment, it's a 25mm or 1" ball, which you can use at a range of adapters. These adapters will allow you to connect waterproof cases, dedicated holders, different adapters if you want to mount a camera. This adapter I'm going to show you just now is the UltimateAddons 3-prong. Simply place the bracket over, push down, and tighten. And that's it. That will allow you to attach, as I said, waterproof cases, dedicated holders. We're going to be doing different adapters to allow you to mount video cameras and so on.